Uta,
Ui,
kyo share.
oh, Aoleang I say no money.
Kun noi to Aoleang to this year hi Aoleang I kena khatam hole noi to next year bhi ase to Aoleang to.
I can't
Ki mun to
I can't provide any clothes or anything to my kids and to you also.
kun noi kapra ba mu khan nai mu khan itia idal lagaule kapra na thaka bi noi kapra to ase to mu khan ki bacha ki bi ase mu khan amni ki bi ase mu ki bi ase kapra to kun noi to abole thakile hoise paisa na thakile ki hobo paisa ban noi to mu khan to morom aro peace itoi like khode.
I don't understand. Sometimes I feel like why my hand work is not blessed. My paddy fields, whatever work I'm doing, not getting any success. What happened these days?
Kun noi epar mu tujun this year before mu khan celebrate kura to aro forefather khan ba ko huna to Aoleang time de phal ba Aoleang kuribe aji kali amna khan Aoleang kura to moi kushi na bai koi thage koi kena huni se forefather khan ba itun this year to moi khan let's celebrate my khan ba celebrate kuri kena sai sabo aro ki Aoleang de isur de he moi khan blessing ekbar mangi kena moi khan try koribo na hole to next year to ki jane moi khan itu bra Aoleang bra pishi blessing bra Aoleang hobole kane aro Aoleang khotom hoi kena to moi khan laka khorde blessing isur ke blessing mangi kena he Aoleang to celebrate korbo pacha kane amne kane moi kane rasta khuli dibi aro party field de blessing dibi kona isur de moi khan blessing mangi kena Aoleang khotom kuri dibo ekun hoi paisa na thagilibi kushi bra aji do moi tu jun do pacha kane moi tu jun kane rasta amne laga rasta khuli dibi koi kena party field te blessing dibi kona isur de moi tu jun pray koribo ekun hoi mun tu nohobe.
I think so. I realize now my mistake. This year, let's celebrate Aoleang with the prayer. And let's ask, as our forefathers were doing, we'll ask the blessing, and we believe this year God is going to hear our prayer.
Boy, surely God isur ba moi tu jun laga pratna de hunibo.
Thank you, my darling. You counsel last year. See this 2026, how God blessed us. So much fruit in our garden, even so much harvest we have. And you know one good thing, many orders are coming. Many people are ready to buy our things. And this year we have plenty of money, my dear.
Wow, isur ke thanks koribo. Awa bishi kusi paise moi laga by heart moi laga mon bura moi isur ke thanks diye se aro na itu poisa bra na moi kan to moi khala family ke sufficient ase aro next itu Aoleang do na itu 2026 laga Aoleang ki to kun family de kun ba family ke bishi needy aro growth kan moi kan buila suffering gura moi to jun kinaka kandi she itu nisna kun ba laga family bi kandi na thagibo itu also the visit kuri kena tai kan ke provide koribo ase kinna ka amni bhabna kori ase.
Very nice. We will do it. And one thing I realize, as much as money we spend well here and there simply, that could be provided. And this is the Aoleang that we give smiles to someone's face.
Itu hibishi isu laga mind isu laga tai laga wisdom right amne ke bi dishe moi tu chun ke bi tai la wisdom right use kore ase itu to moi tu chun laga own wisdom no hoy itu ganne aro moi tu chun laga own strength no hoy isur ba moi tu chun ke takat dishe itu ba moi tu chun ki face koribi ki trial ki temptation pura overcome hoy gena itu success korise to kun needy manu khan bolate ishi lagia manu khalote itu provide koribo distribute koribo dibo.
Sure. And this year we want that we must celebrate Aoleang this way.
Itu nisna this year do Aoleang do moi khan so family moi khan Konyak manu khan kimman Konyak manu khan ase itu nisna moi khan isur ke blessing mangi kana festival khatam kuri dibo koi kana moi to chun itu dekhai di.
Let's invite God in all our activities. Aoleang start and since Aoleang.
Itu kohanisna moi khan Aoleang khotom no hadakte beginning to end moi khan isur ke blessing mangi kana moi khan Konyak manu khan to pura isur ke blessing mangi kana moi khan inaka festival loi lobo.
This Deuteronomy chapter 28, when we read, we can understand when we obedient to God, how God bless entire thing of our life.
Itunis na kidya mukan Bible de sailibe Deuteronomy chapter 28 verse 3 de kinaka isur bo mukan ke bless kurishe bhagwan bra mukan ke kinaka mukan party field de mukan laga land de ineka blessing dia itu Deuteronomy de bi amni pawo.
May God bless you.
Sob manoge isur ba assist diwo.